This classic Citroen 2CV has survived for decades with its original paint, some dents and a fair bit of surface rust. But today, we're going to help it survive for decades more without restoring a thing. Instead of stripping it back or respraying it, I'm going to treat it with Owatrol Oil. It penetrates the paint and the rust, locking in all this incredible patina and protecting it from further corrosion. In this video, we're taking a look at the full process, how to apply it, how it works, and how the finish changes over the next few days. So, we're starting with the car already washed and fully dried. I used plain fairy liquid to remove any grease, wax or polish, then cover the car overnight. After a short drive to make sure it was bone dry, it's now ready for the oil. Here's a look at the surface we're working with. Faded paint, a few scars and scrapes, and that lovely surface rust. I want to keep all of this, just stop it from getting any worse. This is Owatrol Oil. It's a penetrating rust inhibitor that stabilises and protects the surface without covering it up. Perfect if you want to preserve, not restore. I'm just brushing it on with a paintbrush. You want to work it into the surface, make sure it's really soaking into any imperfections, rusty spots and thin paint. Work in sections, it doesn't need to be perfect. We're not painting, we're just feeding the surface with oil. After a few minutes I come back and gently wipe it down with a clean microfiber cloth. This leaves just a thin layer behind, enough to protect without leaving it oily or overly shiny. And of course, when you've used these rags, they can spontaneously combust because they're covered in oil, so soak them in water and don't put them in your workshop bin. Here's how the car looks immediately after application. The surface is rich, glossy and full of depth, but still completely original. You can see every scrape, every bit of honest wear. It's just preserved. After a day to dry and a couple of days buzzing around in the sunshine, the oil soaks in and the shine fades a bit. What's left is a more subtle, natural finish, less glossy but fully protected and still full of character. If you've got a classic with great patina and want to keep it that way, Owatrol is a great option. Easy to apply, long lasting, and it lets the car's story show through. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, hit the like button, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more classic car content. I'll see you next time.